Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Capital One Mastercard online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser to get started. Now into the URL box, type in the official website for Capital One, which is capitalone.com, and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Capital One. Now go ahead, mouse over to the credit cards tab from the top left, and under common account task, click on Activate Credit Card. In order to activate your credit card, you'll need to log into your Capital One online account, or if you don't have your Capital One online account registered yet, click on Enroll and Activate. Since I already have an account, let me click on Sign In and Activate. On the next page, enter your username associated with your Capital One account and enter your correct password on the next field. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link and follow through the prompts till the end. Finally, click on Sign In, and that should take you to the main homepage of Capital One. Follow the prompts till the end and enter your details correct in order to activate your Capital One Mastercard online. That is how it can be done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.